If you're tired of mosquito repellent candles and sprays that just don't work, if you're ready for a long-term solution that stops mosquito populations before they start, you're ready for Mosquito Magnet Trap. These days, mosquitoes aren't just annoying, they can transmit harmful diseases like malaria, dengue fever, West Nile virus, and the Zika virus. Mosquito magnet traps offer an effective long-term solution that reduces mosquito populations. The mosquito magnet technology holds over 15 patents based on scientific research and collaboration with the U.S. Department of Agriculture. The key to mosquito magnet technology is the interruption of the mosquito's breeding cycles. Mosquitoes are attracted to the carbon dioxide that we exhale, the warmth of our breath, and the scent of our skin, making humans and animals magnets for mosquitoes. Available in a variety of models, mosquito magnet traps use ordinary propane tanks, the same types used in standard gas grills. The patented and safe catalytic process converts propane into carbon dioxide, combining it with heat and moisture to create an irresistible attractant to mosquitoes. A secondary substance, either Lurex-3 or Octanol, deliver an additional attractant that diverts mosquitoes away from you and into the trap, where the patented counterflow technology vacuums them into the bug bag, where they dehydrate and die within 24 hours. The mosquito magnet traps will immediately begin reducing mosquito population with significant decreases noticeable in as little as 4 weeks. Following a simple maintenance routine will keep your trap performing at maximum potential. When you're ready to stop messing around with sprays, candles, and other temporary fixes, take back your yard with a mosquito magnet trap.